Aims and values are interrelated and overlapping in the sense that values are the outcomes or the end result of realization of the aims. When the aims are realized, the values are derived. We aim at something when we value it and vice versa. For the same reason, the values of teaching mathematics can be categorized and viewed in the same way as the aims of teaching mathematics. Therefore, the values of teaching mathematics can be broadly classified as follows. Mathematics teaching is very important for intellectual development. There is no other subject in the curriculum like mathematics which makes students' brain active. Problem solving helps us in development of mental faculties. Mental work is needed for solving mathematical problem. As a child faces a mathematical problem, his brain becomes active in solving that problem. Each problem of mathematics processes such a sequence which is necessary for constructive and creative process. In this way, all mental abilities of child are developed through mathematics. The study of mathematics helps us to develop all our intellectual powers like power of imagination, memorization, observation, invention, concentration, originality, creativity, logical thinking and systematized reasoning. Every problem in mathematics is an open challenge to the faculties of the mind and a systematic and organized exercise for one's mental health. Hobbes has rightly remarked that mathematics is like a whetstone and by its study one learns to think distinctly, consecutively and carefully. Throwing light on intellectual values of mathematics, a great educationalist Plato has said, mathematics is the subject which provides an opportunity for training the mind to close thinking, stirring up a sleeping and unstructured spirit. Mathematics education is also useful from the point of view of psychological aspects. Mathematics fulfills the psychological needs of the children. In mathematics, emphasis is given on operations and real work so that its knowledge becomes more solid as well as durable. The teaching of mathematics follows the various laws and principles of psychology. For example, the child acquires knowledge on the various principles of psychology such as learning by doing, learning through experiences, and problem solving. Through its knowledge, the child develops and satisfies his desire, creative and constructive tendencies, self-satisfaction, self-assertion, etc. Man is a social animal and human life depends upon the cooperation of each other. In order to live a social life, its knowledge is needed because the give and take process, business and industry depends upon the knowledge of mathematics. The change in the social structure with regards to modern facilities like mode of transport, means of communication, progress in the field of science and technology due to mathematics only. Ideal education is that which helps to make a child a qualified and useful citizen of society from the beginning. Napoleon has accepted the social value of mathematics and said that the progress and improvements of mathematics are linked to the prosperity of the state. In this way, mathematics has played an important role in not only understanding the progress of society but also to develop the society. At present, our social structure seems to be so scientific and systematic, its credit goes to mathematics. In its deficiency, the entire social system will be disturbed. By culture of a nation or society, we mean the mode of living of its inhabitants. The culture is reflected through how they live, behave, eat, drink, and maintain their social relationship. The scientific discoveries which owe their roots in mathematics are to a great extent responsible for bringing changes in the mode of living, and thereby the culture has been continuously influenced by the progress and improvement of mathematics. Hogben says that mathematics is the mirror of civilization. The history of mathematics portrays civilization and culture of different countries at different periods. The greatness of Indian culture is once reflected through the glory of Indian mathematics of olden days. Similarly, having come to know the progress of Egyptian and Greeks in mathematics, one can be aware of their progress in culture and civilization. The fact that mathematics has wide cultural value can be emphasized through another angle. Mathematics is the backbone of our civilization and culture. What we have in our modern culture and civilization weighs its debate of science and technology, which in turn depends upon the progress in mathematics. Moreover, in various cultural arts like poetry, drawing, painting, music, sculpture, architecture, and design making, mathematics is playing vital role, and therefore it can be safely said that mathematics is intimately linked with the culture and civilization. Mathematics has international value in the sense that it is helpful in creating international understanding and brotherhood. Its history reveals that there was a time when our ancestors were not able to count even more than one. Therefore, as far as the potential of knowledge and intellectual development is concerned, we all human beings, the inhabitants of all countries, the followers of all religions, and members of all the races are the same, and therefore it is unwise to think superior or inferior to any of the other race, religion, culture, or nation. What we have in mathematics today is the net result of combined effort of all the nations and races. Mathematics is not an exclusive property of a particular nation or race. All mathematicians, irrespective of their caste, color, or creed, have generously contributed toward the progress of mathematics. The man-made boundaries cannot restrict or check the cooperation among the mathematicians of the world. Any new idea brought in the field of mathematics does not take much time to become an international property. In fact, cooperation and acquaintance with the other progress is very much essential in going ahead in the field of mathematics and science. This need has brought the nation and races together. Even the bitter enemies like Russia and USA have at least a common platform for understanding each other in relation to the exchange of mathematical and scientific knowledge. Likely, there is a continuous flow of teachers, mathematicians, and researchers from one nation to another nation for the exchange of mathematical and scientific ideas. The mathematics books and research journals are also exchanged and circulated among almost all the nations of the world. All these things add to the feeling of international understanding and are helpful in bringing international peace. Mathematics is not meant only for development of mental abilities, but also to develop their personality with some qualities like concentration, truthfulness, seriousness, etc. That is why the disciplinary value of mathematics is also important. A person who is gaining mathematical knowledge is not in favor of working against the rules of under sentimental situations. A child judges about his good or bad with the help of his reasoning power, wisdom, patience, and self-confidence. Mathematics is the only subject whose knowledge develops the habit of hard work, concentration, well-organized, and clarity in the students. These are such conditions which enable the students of mathematics to lead seriously wisdomful and disciplined life. Accuracy, judgment, and reasoning are specific traits that could be developed easily by learning mathematics. According to Locke, mathematics is a way to settle in the mind a habit of reasoning. Many mathematical concepts and facts are learned through two important modes of thinking, namely inductive reasoning and deductive reasoning. The important characteristics of mathematical mode of thought such as accuracy, simplicity, originality, applicability, similarity to reasoning in life, and verification of result help the children in facing the challenges of daily life with courage and confidence, and enable students to apply mathematical thinking to life situations and make meaningful connections to life's experiences. Mathematical knowledge is exact, real, and pure so that a special kind of discipline develops in the child's mind. Its facts are real and definite. Discipline is the only necessary requirement in order to use the acquired knowledge. It develops thinking and reasoning power and demands less form of memory. Morality is the important phase of life which is more affected by time, person, situation, and place. Mathematical knowledge is helpful in character and personality development. It develops all those qualities which a person of strong character must possesses. Child develops qualities of cleanliness, reality, punctuality, truthfulness, honesty, loyalty, justice, dutifulness, self-control, self-reliance, self-confidence, patience, listen to others and respect them through the study of mathematics. In this way, mathematics leads to character development and moral development. It deprives of the feeling of jealousy, hatred, etc. Explaining the moral value of mathematics, Darton has said mathematics does furnish the power of deliberate thought and accurate statements and to speak the truth. Gossip, flattery, slander, deceit all speak from a mind that has not been trained by mathematics. Thus, mathematics is the only subject which really gives the training of self-control to the child and gives advanced knowledge. Our daily life and behavior is totally dependent on mathematics. We need mathematics in order to classify and to understand every fact. We need its knowledge in our daily routine, house, outside, market, income, expenditure. In the absence of mathematical knowledge, a person can neither treat his family well nor he can face his social duties. In this way, every aspect of our life is concerned with the application of mathematics. Our daily routine, measures and calculations all are dependent on it. Before sleeping and after awaking, mathematics is must for us. When we have to awaken, when we have to sleep, when we have to work, all these evidences are related to it. Even all natural phenomena are based on mathematical principles. A housewife, how insignificant she may be, also needs mathematics for looking after her house, preparing family budget and estimates, writing various expenses and noting down so many household and transactions. Each and every person of society needs mathematical knowledge, either he is accepted personally or rejected one. It is not that mathematical knowledge is needed only by engineers, doctors, traders, businessmen, etc., but also it is needed to smallest citizen of society such as laborers, workers, drivers, coolies, salesmen, vendors. In this context, young JWA said that whenever we turn in these days of iron, steam and electricity, we find that mathematics has been the pioneer. Were its backbone removed, our material civilization would inevitably collapse. Modern thought and belief would have been altogether different had mathematics not made the various sciences exact. Moreover, mathematical knowledge is indispensable in understanding and controlling the forces of nature. Even the stars, sun, planets and the moon are bound to move as mathematics directs. Our calendars and watches will be helpless if mathematics ceases to work for them. Our cartographers will not draw the maps and our meteorologists will not be able to foretell rain and weather condition in case they give up mathematics. What we conclude from the above is that mathematics is responsible for giving us a system, organization and essential abilities for leading a successful life. We will remain too much handicapped in our life in case we remain ignorant of mathematics. The main aim of education is to help the children to earn their living and to make them self-dependent. To achieve such aim, mathematics is the most important subject than any other. At present, the vocational value of engineering, technology, management, information technology has become more important and prestigious or reputed. The knowledge and training of these vocations is possible only through mathematics. Almost each and every vocation needs the knowledge of mathematics. Even to learn different vocations related to different branches of science requires the knowledge of mathematics. Moreover, mathematics plays a very important role in different vocations. For example, an architect cannot become a good designer without the knowledge of geometrical drawing and measurement. Official work requires the knowledge of mathematics. To become an engineer, accountant, banker, there is need of mathematical knowledge. Similarly, to understand different sciences, knowledge of mathematics is must. Therefore, it can be said that each and every person needs mathematical knowledge for the earning and to maintain his living standard. Mathematics is just like a song and a beautiful art, music, and a means of gaining pleasure for those who studies and likes it. But only few people who have not yet studied it have made a belief that mathematics is a dull and full boring subject. One gets pleasure in solving mathematical problems, especially when he gets the correct answer to his problems. At that moment, every child feels pleasure, satisfaction, confidence, and self-reliance. Perhaps this is the reason that Pythagoras gave scarification of 100 oxen when he discovered his theorem. Yeats has well marked that truth is beauty. Thus, whenever a mathematician discovers something new with the help of mathematical laws, facts, theorem, and principles, a sense of joy in development in his mind. He realizes the aesthetic aspect of his findings or research. So, the child gets encouragement, satisfaction, and happiness in attaining remarkable achievements. Indeed, a sense of appreciation is developed in the mind of the child. If mathematics is considered as the creator and nurturer of all arts, then it might not be wrong, because in the development of all arts such as drawing, painting, art of sculpture, fine art, music, dance, mathematics plays an important role. Leibniz has also said that music is a modern hidden exercise in arithmetic of a mind unconscious of dealing with numbers. Moreover, day-to-day changes, beautiful and latest designs of our clothes, beautiful gardens, lawns, even flower pots, all these follow the mathematical rules in one of the other way. Various mathematical puzzles and riddles not only entertain the mind of the child, but they also produces a sense of joy and appreciation among the children. In fact, in the mind of this child, a feeling of appreciation of mathematical knowledge is developed. Mathematics provides enough opportunities for recreation. When once the student tastes the delight of independent mental activity, he is able to exercise the mental powers of his own account for mere pleasure of doing. This helps the student in their future life to easily diffuse the problems due to stress and strain. The students will be able to appreciate knowledge and exertion of intellectual power for its own sake. Mathematics learning results in the development of a number of fruitful values for the students that cannot be attained automatically by learning mathematics, but with the help of a resourceful teacher of mathematics. Now try this.